And welcome to our deep knitting workshop. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of knitting, with clear teaching and simple explanations to ensure your final results are perfect. Knitting might seem complicated at first, but trust me, with the right guidance, it's incredibly accessible and rewarding. We'll start with the basics, making sure you have a solid foundation. First, let's talk about the materials you'll need. You'll need yarn. Choose a yarn that feels nice to you. The texture and color will affect the final look and feel of your project. Next, you'll need knitting needles. The size of your needles will depend on your yarn and the project you're making. Generally, the yarn label will tell you the recommended needle size. You'll also need a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle for weaving in the ends of your yarn. Now, let's get into the basic knitting techniques. We'll start with the slip knot, which is how you get your yarn onto your needle. After that, we'll learn how to cast on, which is the method of creating the first row of stitches. There are several ways to cast on. We'll show you the long tail cast on, which is one of the most popular methods. Next, we'll learn the knit stitch. This is the most fundamental stitch in knitting, and it's essential for almost every project. The knit stitch creates a V shape on your fabric. We'll show you step by step, making sure you understand the movements. After mastering the knit stitch, we'll move on to the purl stitch. The purl stitch is the reverse of the knit stitch, and it creates a bump on your fabric. Together, the knit and purl stitches allow you to create a wide variety of patterns. Once you have these basic stitches down, you can start creating various knitting projects. We'll show you how to read simple patterns, which are like recipes for knitting. Don't worry if it looks confusing at first. We'll break it down into simple terms. We'll cover how to increase and decrease stitches, which are essential techniques for shaping your work. We'll also show you how to bind off, which secures your stitches at the end of your project. We'll address common mistakes and how to fix them, such as dropped stitches or uneven tension. Finally, we'll demonstrate how to weave in those pesky yarn ends, so your project looks neat and professional. Throughout the workshop, we'll encourage you to ask questions. Remember, everyone learns at their own pace, so don't be afraid to rewind or rewatch any section of the video. Our goal is to make knitting a joyful and relaxing experience for you, leading you to your perfect final results. Happy knitting!